there! Today, I'll walk you through the Baby Registry and Pregnancy Journey Planner. Getting ready for a baby means juggling a dozen lists at once: the registry, the nursery budget, appointments, names, the shower, and this workbook puts all of it in one place that counts down with you to your due date. Let's take a look. We start on the Start Here tab. It's a warm welcome that explains how the planner is organized and where to begin, so the whole run-up to baby feels a lot calmer. The Settings tab is where you enter your due date and your registry and nursery budgets, and set up the drop-down lists that drive everything else. The registry checklist is everything you need by category, with price, store, and whether each item is still needed, purchased, or gifted, so you never buy the same thing twice. The nursery budget lets you plan the nursery with target versus actual spend and a running total, so the room comes together without a nasty surprise at the end. The Appointments tab logs your prenatal visits and tests, with provider, notes, and your next visit surfaced automatically, so nothing slips. The Pregnancy Journey lays out your week-by-week milestones across all 3 trimesters, with your current week highlighted so you always know what's happening now. The Hospital Bag is a packing checklist for mom, partner, and baby, with a packed percentage, so you're ready well before the big day. The Baby Names tab lets you shortlist boy and girl names with meanings and a combined score to make the fun decision a little easier. The Kick and Contraction log counts kicks and times contractions for you automatically, right when you need it most. The Baby Shower tab tracks guests, RSVPs, gifts received, and thank you notes sent, so the celebration stays organized too. Finally, the dashboard brings it all together: weeks to go, your next appointment, registry percent complete, nursery budget left, and bag progress. One calm view of how ready you are. And that's the whole planner. It works in both Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets, so you can check it anywhere. The link to grab your copy is in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and congratulations!